everyone, welcome to our channel again, Desi Lens. So first of all, I would like to thank all of you for the immense love that you have shown to us in our previous videos, and I'm really thankful to each one of you for sharing so much of love onto us. So today I am going to take you along with us to a beautiful town in Austria that is called Hallstatt. It is called the most beautiful town or a village in the world, and it doesn't earn its name just for being a normal town. Hallstatt is a very small and a very cute town situated at Lake Hallstatt. It is so beautiful and it is so breathtaking that if you go once to Hallstatt, you would not want to come back. It is popular for its serene Hallstatt Lake, surrounded by beautiful mountains, and for its Salzwelt, which is also a part which is very near to this Hallstatt, and you can easily go and visit this place during your visit to this beautiful, amazing town. Hallstatt has been part of UNESCO World Heritage since 1997, and since past few years it's very controversial because it's become a hub for tourists, especially from Asia, and it is so populated, and because it's so small, it's quite difficult for the people who are living there. Because of its popularity among the Chinese people, China has created a small town called Hallstatt in China, and the streets have exactly the same name as they are in Hallstatt. It is quite amazing. If you visit Europe and especially Austria, a trip to Hallstatt is a must. When you visit Hallstatt, the first thing I would advise you to do is enjoy your time at the lake. Surrounding the lake, there are so many beautiful cafes where you can sit down for a drink or two, have something to eat, and soak in the nature. It is so beautiful that you can spend your whole day without getting bored from this beautiful place. We went there during winter time, and during the winter time it is so cold but also so beautiful. Nearby Christmas, there is this amazing drink called Glühwein or mulled wine which is served around this area. So when you are feeling cold, you can stop by for this drink and it will keep you warm during the harsh winters of Europe. Because it is so pretty, it is also very known among people for its honeymoon in the Europe, and a lot of people flock towards this area to spend some quality time with their life partner. When we went there, the sun was shining at this beautiful lake, the crystal clear water. It was so amazing that I do not have words to express. After enjoying our time by the lake and after a hearty lunch, we decided to go to the Salzwelt. Salz means salt, and these are salt mines which are also very popular attraction near this area. Salzwelt is situated on top of a mountain, and when you decide to go to Salzwelt, you can take the funicular or the cable car which will take you to the top of the mountain. This cable car is a very fun-filling activity in itself, where you can enjoy a beautiful view of the whole Hallstatt. It is so amazing. Though it's very short, I would totally recommend to keep your cameras handy so that you can click amazing pictures. Once you enter the Salzwelt, it is another world altogether. It is so beautiful, and it's like that you're transported into another planet. The air is so pure that you feel a lot of difference when you step into this place. Because of the popularity of this amazing pure air, they have started selling it in small cylinders. So when you want, you can take a small part of this trip in an oxygen cylinder and buy it from the souvenir shop. When you visit the Salzwelt, you are appointed a tour guide which is included in the price of the ticket of the Salzwelt, and he would take you along with this beautiful journey of how salt is manufactured in this beautiful factory. Also, the salt from this factory is exported to a lot of countries in Europe and around the globe. A major attraction of the Salzwelt are these beautiful lamps which they make from salt. They are considered to be good if you keep them at home, and we bought one. So you can put in a tea light and you can enjoy, and it will transport you suddenly back to the place that you were. Also for kids, Salzwelt is a perfect place where they can learn a lot. And there is this amazing, beautiful slide where kids as well as the adults, they go down, and it is so much fun. After having an amazing day in Hallstatt, we decided to end our day at the beautiful World Heritage Viewpoint, which is a must do when you are in Hallstatt. If you do have questions, feel free to ask us in the comment section. And if you liked our video, make sure you share it with your friends and family. And do subscribe to our channel and keep watching the beautiful places where we go. Okay, bye.